Okay, so we are room number 338 here at the hotel. So let me show you inside. On entry, you've got a nice little entrance hall with a lovely wardrobe space, extra pillows, luxury. We did not have that. You've got slippers, and if you want your laundry done, how to do your laundry. Then going into the bathroom, you've got a full-size bath with all the soaps, and you've also got the towels. These aren't like your normal hotel towels. Look at that. Are they soft? Let's have a feel. Oh yeah. Then we have got the sort of vanity section. So we've got a vanity kit, a shower cap, and another shower cap with your dental kits as well. Face towels, let's just have the details. Sink, huge mirror. We've got a hairdryer, body lotion and hand wash, as well as some tissues. Then we've got a double-sized shower with a toilet. Again, the shower's got enough room to put your own shampoo and conditioner there, as well as theirs. And I love just like the taps. You've got two heads, one higher and one lower. Amazing. The only thing is, what's with the yellow tiles? Anyway, coming back out into the main room, we've got here a full-size mirror. We've got the sort of kettle area with complimentary water, ice bucket. You've got sort of all the coffees in here, English breakfast tea as well, and even a teapot. Absolutely. Oh no, that's the kettle. The kettle is a teapot. See my amaze. Anyway, then we've got the cups and glasses, and then if you are feeling peckish, here is some snacks: rock salted cashews, dried tropical mix, fruit mix, and some roasted peanuts. Now these are chargeable. Here is how much they are charging for the snacks, and any of the cokes and beers and juices in the fridge as well. So I will just show you what we've got in the fridge. It's behind a cupboard. Here we go. So you have got these in here. Okay. Even just these small details, like how they folded the napkins, are just wonderful. And then we've got a really lovely TV with a sort of nice area to put cases if you need to. We've then got the dressing table and chair, telephone. Anything in here? Nope, nothing of interest. We've got a full lever arch with everything in about the dining menu. This is just amazing. Swimming pool. Apparently this hotel has the largest swimming pool in Thailand, which is very cool. Things to do. There is also a complimentary trip on when you stay at this hotel to Koh Hong Island. So it actually leaves 10 minutes away from the hotel. Unfortunately, the trip is on Tuesday when we are doing a different tour. But this is an overview of the hotel, and our room does look over one of the roads. So it is really, really stunning. Anyway, let's get back to it. I say that and then I'm like, oh, room service. It's just more about facilities. Anyway, so how beautiful is this little lounge area? Really loving this. We've got a bed. They did offer us 2 singles as well, to be fair. But we just said which one's got the better view because we're not bothered either way. And every drop is to be cherished. We've got some more complimentary water, which is nice to have too. It's just so lovely. Let me stand back here. It's just lush. Got a ceiling fan. I will say the aircon is quiet as well. Not like our other hotel rooms. And then we go out and we have got a lovely sized balcony again. Really decent. And then the view is obviously dark, so we'll do another magic trick. 1, 2, 3. This is overlooking the golf course. Got a little bit of, this is the main entry as you drive up. I did wonder what this bit of road was. You've got in the far distance the sea there, and that's where they connect over to the island. But yeah, you can see sort of like the golfing green here. It's honestly stunning at this hotel. Really, really love it. Let's see what's up this way. Not much. Beautiful view. And there we have it. Our hotel room tour. This is, oh, I'm so excited for this one.